I'm on a really sweet, unique layout that we just got in at Nisswa. 2026 Barletta Cabrio, 24-foot ultra entertainer. I want to show you the back of this boat. It's definitely my favorite part. You have a huge walking space going in here with the safety gate, and you have your lounger at the back. So really good spot to hang out. You can flip this the other way and have a few different seating options here. And then of course, the best spot to hang out on the boat is at this tabletop. Nice little built-in bar, 2 bar stools. You have your storage locker, and you also have this seat that is reversible. So again, can hang out this way. You also have another pop-up table over here. Barletta did a really nice job with having this be the ultimate hosting boat. I really like this feature here. You get another tabletop to put your snacks, drinks, and your garbage right here. Nice big garbage. Again, you're gonna wanna come check out this boat. If you wanna host the best lake days ever, come check it out at MarineMax Nisswa.